How to add hashtags on TikTok. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the plus icon in the middle. This is the TikTok camera screen. Here you can take photos or videos to post on TikTok. Now tap and hold the capture button to record a video. After recording, tap on Next at the bottom. Here you can add a caption and also manage other settings before posting. You can also edit the hashtag for this video. Go to the description box and add as many hashtags as you want. You can also check below to get more hashtag suggestions. After that, tap on Post at the top right corner. Then tap on Post Video. You have now successfully posted this video to TikTok. Now go back to your profile and open the video again. Here you can view the hashtags you just added in the video caption. Following these steps, you can easily add hashtags on TikTok.